I'm going to start with your Linux installation. So let me start. Okay, my screen is not shared. Give me a minute. Screen is shared. So I'm going to use the default settings as what we did for your Windows. Click on next. So which is the version I'm going to install? Linux, under which I'm going to select CentOS or the recent or the latest version, which is MAP. So either you can use Red Hat or Ubuntu. So I'm going to use Red Hat itself. Click on next. What's the name I'm going to use? CentOS, which is going to be a CentOS, and the location I'm going to use is e:/labs is labs only, isn't it? ACE13 I'm going to use CentOS. Click on next. And since it is your Linux, you don't need much disk space like 60 or 70 or 80. You can use 30 GB is enough, or 40 is also much bigger than that. So click on single file. Next, same, customize your hardware. Do you want internet access? So I'm going to use host only, and the CD or DVD I'm going to select is the CentOS, which is 7. So memory 2 GB is okay. Processor, everything is default. So click on close, finish, and you're going to power on your machine. 20 is enough. No, make it 30 GB. 35, 20 is too less because you won't install any packages and all. It will need more space. Now, during installation, it will ask you whether you want to check the media or you want to go with the installation. If you haven't did anything, by default it will start. I'm just going with your installation. So you can't identify where your cursor is, whether it is on the last or the up. If you navigate up and down, you can see the stage where it is not moving. If I click on down, it is coming down. If I click up, it's visible. Can you see the colors are changing? Now I'm going up. It is stuck. That means this is the place where I'm selected. One only, 30 GB. For Hyper-V, use generation 1. Clear? Advantage of your CentOS is you can check whether the CD or DVD which you are going to install is good or bad. Imagine you want to install operating system. 90% is completed. So what is the option available? It will check the media of the iOS file which you are going to install. So that if it successfully checked, there's no error, no backside task, then you can proceed with your installation. Else it will show you an error that the CD is crashed. So try to change it. So I'm going to select install from your CentOS because I know just the image. I don't have to scan for the image. So click on up arrow and hit enter. Unlike Windows, your CentOS will be little interesting. You'll see a lot of graphics and all. So again, it says press any key to proceed with your installation. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.